Hi, it's Rick at Dentec Automotive Dent Repair. Today I'm going to be fixing this 2014 Harley Davidson Limited front fender. It's got a couple of dents in it and the customer wants to maintain the factory finish. I'll just turn the camera around and you can have a look at the damages here. There's a couple of dents, one right on the pinstriping and a couple sharp deep ones. I'll massage them out using Paintless Dent Repair. I'll be back in a bit and show you how it turned out. Here's our Harley fender all fixed up. All the dents were massaged out. No damage to the original finish. Customer will be really happy that this is repaired, didn't have to repaint, maintain the factory color. That's what Paintless Dent Repair is cost effective right there.